I started thinking about becoming a yoga teacher after I had a surgical procedure, and I had a lot of time to think during the recovery process. And it gave me an opportunity to kind of think over where I was in my life, what I wanted to do, what was it in my life that fulfilled me, what was it in my life that I wanted to nurture and grow. And I already had been doing quite a lot of yoga, and I felt that I was ready to learn more about it and also give something back and be able to teach it. Because I'd had the surgery, I wasn't confident enough that I'd be able to do the physical practice as well as I had done in the past. So that was a little bit of a concern at the beginning. And there were moments of stress, definitely. There were definitely moments of stress, but I have to say that every Friday walking into the Buddhist centre was a complete relief. The feeling that you could just walk into this very calm, quiet space. The training, the actual teacher training was fantastic, but personally, the yoga philosophy and learning about the nature of yoga was the biggest kind of revelation for me, the biggest gift, I guess, for me. Post-course, I went away to Croatia and did some yoga teaching there with two ladies who had muscular dystrophy. So it was a real challenge marrying the yoga that I'd been taught with their disability. So I had to learn, I had to ask a lot of questions to other yoga teachers and do some research, specifically designing and changing the yoga program for those ladies. And then on my return, I just did a few courses here and there about Vinyasa flow yoga. I did a course with Matthew Stanford. So I was trying to keep my knowledge base still quite fertile. Since then, I've had an injury, so I haven't been able to teach. But I've been asked to teach 2 basketball teams, so we'll see how that pans out. I think the most important thing I learned about myself was to be patient. To be patient with myself, and therefore be patient with my students or those I'm guiding through a practice. And I'm the kind of person who always kind of likes things done, yesterday. And the whole course taught me that the value of being patient and not being kind to yourself. And if things aren't going the way that you expect them to go, to be patient with it and kind of let things unfold. My advice to anybody who's thinking about doing a teacher training course is to just do it. Don't think about it, don't try to explain it, don't try to make a story about it, just do it, because it's completely worthwhile.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
That was short, sweet, perfect.